Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you the Nintendo Pokémon GO Plus device. Let's have a look what's inside and what is this kind about the product. The Pokémon GO Plus is a small device that lets you enjoy Pokémon Go while you're on the move and not looking at your smartphone. This is awesome. The device connects to a smartphone via Bluetooth, low energy, and notifies you about events in the game, such as the appearance of a Pokemon nearby using a LED and vibration. The Pokemon GO Plus will begin to blink and vibrate whenever you're within range of a PokéStop. Press the Pokemon GO Plus button to search the PokéStop for visits or items. If you find any item, they will immediately be added to your inventory. When a Pokemon is near, the light on the Pokemon GO Plus will flash. It will also flash and vibrate when you pass a PokéStop. Note compatibility with Android devices that use Intel Atom processors and of course iPhone of course. Once the Pokemon is close, press the button the Pokemon GO Plus to throw a Poké Ball. The Pokemon GO Plus will flash and vibrate, let you know if you were successful in catching the Pokemon, and you can wear it on your t-shirt or your base cap and so on. Now let's get it live. You only have to pull this plastic cap out, and after this it's ready to use. Now we are on the road and let's connect the via Bluetooth the Nintendo Go Pokemon GO Plus adapter to your smartphone, and then you are ready to rumble, ready to have some fun. Oh yeah, easy going. As you can see, there are some instructions because of the flashing, of the blinking, of the nearly area supported unit and so on, and then you are ready to go and catch some Pokemons now. Let's go. Yeah, let's go on the road, and there it is. It's vibrating and flashing. Now press, and as you can see, the rainbow LEDs. Now we caught anything. Let's have a look what's inside next. You can see the loot. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.